If you open your car door like this, you might slowly be damaging your Tesla. Today, we are breaking down 7 hidden features in the Tesla manual. Safety overrides and custom settings that will change the way you use your car. All right, if you're new here, I'm Dan, and this is The One Tesla. One of the biggest worries of Tesla owners is what do you do if your car dies? Most people don't know this, but your Tesla has 2 batteries. The main pack that's underneath the car, which powers the motor, and unless you drive it to zero, shouldn't really be an issue. And then there's the low voltage battery like most other cars. Depending on your model, most new cars have a 16-volt lithium battery, and this replaces the old 12-volt, which easily died. So the chance of it dying suddenly are low, but if it does happen, you need to know how to fix it, because without it, you can't even get into your car, and you can't even drive because the high voltage requires a low voltage to even turn on. Now, this is a downside of all the doors being electronic. And because of this, I have a tip at the end that could very well save your life. So be sure to watch to the end. Now, ironically, the low voltage battery is right here in the frunk. However, the frunk also opens electronically. So how are you going to open it? Well, we got to look down below. This front bumper cover will give you access to the wiring that will pop the frunk. All you have to do is push in over here, like so, and you have your wire exposed. You'll hook up those wires to a battery booster, and that will pop the frunk. Inside the frunk, you'll remove the maintenance cover, which you can use a pry tool just to get access to it, help a bit, and it just pops right out. Once you lift the cover off, from here you'll have access to the red terminal over here, and you can hook up the ground to one of the black bolts here. You can then disconnect the booster, and after driving for a little bit, the high voltage will charge the low voltage. Now, if you're having issues with your windows where they won't either close or open all the way, or they don't drop down when you open your door, there is a way to recalibrate it without going to a service center. All you have to do is open your window, and when you get to the bottom, you're going to hold for 2. 1, 2. Then you're going to close it, and again at the top, hold for 2. 1, 2. And that should recalibrate your window. And hey, if you're OCD like me, be sure to watch to the end because you're not going to want to miss that tip. And be sure to subscribe too because you don't want to miss these videos. Now our next tip is more of a convenience feature, and that is the customization of the left scroll wheel. You want to tap on the car menu and head over to the display menu. From here, scroll down to scroll wheel function. You can then choose one of the options, such as adjusting temperature. This will now pop up with a long press of the left scroll wheel. Alternatively, you can choose the Ask Every Time option, which with a long press will bring up the menu, and then you can use the scroll wheel to scroll up and down the different options such as fan speed, and then navigate submenus toggling left and right. You can access such features as biodefense mode, fold mirrors, save dashcam, steering wheel heat, camera, defrost, brightness, dome lights, and opening your glove box. Now speaking of glove box, an awesome safety feature is to be able to add a pin to the glove box. And this is so important for 2 reasons. Basically, it gives you a lockbox in your own car, and specifically, that is where your USB is held for your security footage. Now, a smart thief would know not to steal anything with Tesla because of all the cameras. However, a really smart thief would know that that security footage is kept inside the glove box. So to erase all evidence, all you have to do is stake that USB. However, if you have a pin to open your glove box, they won't be able to. Head over to the safety menu and find the glove box pin toggle. You can then enter a pin. Now our next tip goes back to convenience, and that is Joe mode. Now you may be asking yourself, what is Joe mode? And I'm not kidding. This is actually a mode because Joe, that's his real name, requested this from Elon. So driving a Tesla, you know that there's a lot of dings and beeps and things getting your attention. But thankfully, Joe mode, if you have kids sleeping in the back, will reduce the acoustic volume of those alerts. So your kids will sleep soundly. How cool is that? Joe mode can be accessed a little further down in the safety menu. Obviously, this is a big giant screen and it's a magnet for fingerprints. Unless you have a Jawa fingerprint reducing screen protector. Link down below. But yes, we have a giant screen that's going to get full of fingerprints, and you want to clean it without having to activate any sort of buttons. So the way to do that is this. Head up back to the display menu and find Screen Clean mode. Now the next tip is in regards to safety. Now Tesla makes probably the safest car in the world. However, there is one little design flaw. And I'm sure you've seen this on the news. Basically, when the car dies, your doors won't open because they're electronic. However, there is a manual release. Now the front seats are really easy, and I'm sure 99% of your passengers pull this handle to get out of the car. Now you don't want to do that because that could damage your window and trim, because the window doesn't drop down when the emergency release is used. Now the back, thankfully Tesla has made some updates to this, because before it was a pain in the butt to get to, and in an emergency, I don't think kids back there are going to be able to find it. So now all you have to do is pop off the little tab and pull on the yellow release. I trained my kids on how to do it so they know what to do in case of an emergency. So like I said, these tips are all out of the Tesla service manual, and it's a good idea to read the service manual, but if you don't have time or you don't want to, be sure to subscribe so you don't miss these tips. And be sure to follow me on all of my socials down here for all kinds of Tesla content. Anyways, thanks again for watching. We'll see you next time. In the meantime, drive safe and drive electric. Why can't I talk? Memorize. And now straight to Elon Musk, which shows how customer. Now is this our last tip? Now our next tip goes back to convenience. So your kids will sleep soundly. So Joe mode reduces the acoustic volume of non-critical. So Joe mode will actually